Alright guys, just doubling back on this video. This is a few days later. So basically I got the other rim powder coated. It's basically balanced, everything done. As y'all can see, this is a new tire. Let me get this off, because they didn't take this off for me. The brand new tire sticker. You know, most people, what they do, they burn it out. They do a burnout, but we're not gonna do that. We're not gonna burn it out. Let's get as much of this out as we can. Right here. Then we just gonna get it reinstalled. The last thing I have to do with this is I have to get a proper wheel alignment done on this vehicle. My guys from Intrac, I think I'm gonna take it over there and let them take a look to see if they could do it. If not, then I have to schedule an appointment with Dodge. And basically I may have to take a day off for that, because the way these people work is like, it's, you know, I don't know. So, you know, wheel alignment is not really supposed to take too long, but I don't know. We're gonna see. They did a wheel alignment before, but I had an issue. I wish I had the paperwork to show y'all guys, but I really don't right now at the moment. All right, so as I said, we're gonna get this one back on real quick. As y'all can see, did a pretty good job in and out. Let me show you the back. Show them the back. Basically, hopefully it'll be easier to clean when they get the brake dust and all that, because it's actually gloss, so it should be way easier to clean than the original look. This is rubber here. I got some rubber. My little burnouts. Gotta do a good cleaning when you get a little bit more. So, all right, let me try to get this on real quick, guys, for y'all. Get to the other side, and then we're gonna sit the car down and take a real good look of what it looks like. So let me see if I could get this pretty much lined up easy. I just have a hard time. Wish I had a lift. That would have been pretty cool. I always say that, right? Wish I had a lift. Alright, so one of my center caps, he did pretty good on the center cap. Basically they left a gold for me. This got scuffed up a little bit. I don't know, what's this? Got a little mark right there. But I forgot to get the other center caps. I'll get it back sometime this week, basically. So let me get this kind of started, if I can. And all right, guys, so know what I'm gonna do, guys, because I don't want to bore y'all with all of this and my conversation right now. I'm gonna put y'all on a quick time lapse. I'm gonna get this together, right, both sides. I'm gonna get it on. And then we're gonna move the car out the spot, and we're gonna show y'all exactly what it looks like. So we're gonna put y'all on a quick time lapse real quick while we get this together. Alright guys, so I got the wheel back on real quick. As y'all can see, I'm basically gonna take these jack stands off. Finally, I know basically my neighbors just may be like, yo, what the hell Myke LS is doing here? I'm making a movie. That's what I'm doing. I'm making history. Take the jack stands down, drop the car, people, and then torque the wheels. I gotta actually tighten up all four of the wheels. Torque everything up. And y'all can see I got mad traffic coming in right now. Let's see who's coming in right now. Oh, goofy, you're goofy. All right, so basically what I'm gonna do, I'm I'm gonna drop the car. I'm gonna put the camera on the rim for y'all. It's real good, kid. Yo, we leveling up for 2025, man. One thing I gotta tell y'all, like, comment, subscribe to the channel. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, look at my back end videos. And you see we got some motion. I always promise y'all motion, and we got different motion. What was next? I surprised y'all. The charge up. I'm not finished with Renzel, and I'm not finished with the orange. And don't forget, we got that motorcycle, because bike life is coming soon. For real. So let me jack this down for y'all and give y'all time with this jet. Give y'all a final look. Y'all getting the ones of ones, people. Just check out. What you think, now, Motion? What you think? Feel good? Alright. Got Nas Motion approved. Very good. Alright, so time to get this basically torqued up, people. So I got the, if y'all want to call it the old school torque joint. I need to get the digi joint. And yo, one thing I gotta say, I underestimated Cooper because I was like, yo, I didn't want to get no Cooper tire. Cooper tire look goddamn good. Hold on, wait, boy, because I was rocking the Pirellis, but Cooper tire look good, man. Can't complain, man. Maybe next time I get the tire with a little bit more meat. You understand what I'm saying? But it looks real good. Cooper. You'll never say I ain't tell y'all. So now, this is at basically at 130 foot-pounds. And let me get this basically torqued up. Alright. And this thing right here is gonna be a little issue getting stuck in here. Some of them is loose and some of them got tight. I don't know why. I don't know what happened. I think after the burnout. After the burnout. After the smoke. So, just got everything torqued back. So this one is a little tight. Just get the lock nut. I gotta do all sides. And then, that's good. All right, time to go on the next side. But you know what's funny? Listen, as I always say, man, we're gonna put y'all on the time lapse. I'm gonna run around like, run around. All right, so stay tuned to that.